BBAI stock analysis and BBAI stock prediction. In this 1 minute video, I'm going to break down my exact play and everything with BigBear AI stock. I very much appreciate this kind of correction. This kind of past week, it's been consolidating, which is kind of shitty, but it's in these corrections where I actually can get involved, right? And ultimately, I have so many previous receipts with BBAI in the Discord. Not only that, I'm the only guy in the space with 41,000 videos made. It's taken me 5 years to come to this point, and unironically, bro, this is phenomenal. Even this previous win that I got was called out before anything happened.
I know there's like
It was phenomenal, like 11 days back.
a lot of FOMO.
And with all that, I'm still looking to double down buy there. So unless I see the confirmation going into the next week, because I really doubt we're going to see anything in like an hour. So this is for mainly for like Monday next week and onward. So if you do want to learn how to make you 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description and get my free emails. Goodbye and enjoy.